All right, tell me if this has happened before. Someone wants to buy from you, you send them a link to the checkout page, and they leave. They get distracted, they forget the sale is gone. But what happens if the checkout just appeared right where you need it? Right there on the page that they're already on, no redirect, no new URL, no friction. They click, they buy, they're done. Let me show you how easy that is to do with Samcart AI. Okay, so now it's time to sell your stuff, right? Cop, we talked about how do we create a digital product in 2 seconds, right? We created a lead magnet in this example, right? But what if we wanted to create something where we can kind of route people like, cool, go get my freebie or buy something for me and get a customer, right? In order to do that, come to the Sites tab, right? Click on Create New, and we're gonna come and create a link in bio page, right? Cop, give people like if someone doesn't know what a link in bio page is, give them the short version.
Yeah, I mean, the title kind of explains it. So in your bio on your social media account, there's a space to put a link there. You know, you can either put a single link or you can use something called a link in bio, where it points somebody to a page that's got, you know, many different resources. Strategically, there are, you know, certain ways that you should use a link in bio. There's not too much on this page, but it gives your visitor the opportunity to see more than just one link on your Instagram account, for instance.
You send someone to a page kind of like the one we're showing right here. This is a link in bio page, right? Again, you could, with one click of the mouse, you could change the theme of the entire page really, really quickly, right? I'll stick with the first one that matches my other styling, right? Click on next. But ultimately, it's about allowing people one place. You drop this in your Instagram link in bio or your LinkedIn or something, and when someone finds you, you can send them here, and it kind of is like a routing tree to go wherever you need, right? All right, so very first thing I want to do here, right, is let's come back to this lead capture page we just made. And I'm going to grab the URL to this page, okay? And then I'm going to come and click on the very first link in my link in bio, right? So if I click here in this section, you see it highlights this component over here, right? And it says free resource number 1. I can click in here, right, and change some of this text and say, how about we say free putting and chipping guide, right? And I'll go ahead, I can add an icon here and say, how about like golf, right? We give that away right there. And then what I need to do here is I can actually scroll over, right, and come over and click on the settings for this button, okay? Click on the settings for this button, and then just replace this URL, right, with the URL to my lead capture page, the one we just copy and pasted, right? And I can go ahead and click on done. So now people who come to my link in bio can click on that first button, and it's gonna take them to get that lead capture, right? How about the second one? Let's make it sell something, okay? Let's make it actually sell something. So Cop, let's say you wanted to sell like a 30-minute consultation call, you know what I mean? Keep it easy, right? The first thing we need is we need a product in our Samcart account to sell, right? If we don't have that, it's very, very easy. You come up to the top here and you click on sell, okay? This tab right here. And so I've made some products before, but if you guys haven't, come check this out, right? Go to products, okay? And then just create new product. And so all this is just giving your product a name and a price. So if I said Scott consultation call, you know, 30 minutes or something like that, right? And I could say, cool, what's the product price for 30 minutes? You know, I mean, I charge, you know, 49 bucks for 30 minutes or something like that, right? And I click create. And so now that our lead capture is our first button, let's go ahead and add our checkout, right? And so all I need to do is just click on enter to get a new component, right? A new line, and I can hit backslash again and start typing checkout, C-H-E, right? Checkout right there. And so what it's gonna do is it's gonna load up every product I've created. And so if I just search consultation call, there it is right there, right? And then click use button to launch checkout, right? Highly recommend use our slide in checkout, right? And then we can make the button bigger, right? If you wanted to make it small or big or huge or something, I'm just gonna make it the same size as everything else. And then you can change some of the styling on the button as well. You can see it's kind of changing a little bit there, right? But I'll go ahead and click on done. And just like that, I can change the button text to say, you know, how about like save 50 bucks on your consultation, right? Whatever that might be, right? And so if I'm not gonna use these other buttons, I could click and delete them. Just click on the settings icon and I could just have like 2 or 3 here, right? But if we go ahead and hit preview, right? Watch what happens. I open up this link in bio, just like your people would, right? And I can click that first button, opens up a slide checkout where someone can come and pay me right here, right now, right? How cool is that? And this is where we could add things like order bumps so people are spending more. We can add upsells. We can auto apply coupon codes. This is where Samcart really shines. $7 billion in sales. You guys are using the same checkout where people who are making hundreds of millions of dollars in a year, right? And you can launch this right from any page, anywhere, anytime. So, and then my second one is I have a link right back to go join my email list, right? And so this link in bio, or really truly any page, you could do exactly what I just said on any page on your site, right? Go add a checkout, go launch directly into going and buying something. You could even add multiple of these, Cops. So you could have a button that launches for product A and a button that launches for product B. You could almost kind of build a little mini storefront or something if you wanted to. But you can see how easy it is that Samcart AI is taking care of all the design and making this kind of stuff possible. So now you have a link in bio page that not only builds your list, but can actually sell your products. If you want to build this yourself, head over to samcart.com. Free trial link is down in the description. In part 4 of this series, we'll show you how to make everything look absolutely on brand with one simple click of the mouse using Samcart AI. We'll see you next time.